Nested list. What is a nested list? Hi! In this video, we are going to see about the nested list. We know what a list is, right? We create a list to store many items. Now, let us see what is a nested list. Just like putting many items inside one single list, we can put many lists together inside a nested list. Because nested lists have many lists in it, they are arranged in rows and columns. What? Let me explain. Let us first understand what is a row and what is a column. I will tell you an example for rows and columns. When you are standing in an assembly in your school and your teachers arrange you in the way of rows and columns, right? The horizontal line of students is called a row and the vertical line of students is called a column, including you. Do you understand? Imagine you're standing somewhere in the middle. In this picture, you're the circle colored in green and your friend is colored in orange. In this picture, there are 10 horizontal lines. So that means there are 10 rows. There are 13 vertical lines, so that means there are 13 columns. Shall we start counting rows and columns to find out what is your row number and column number? Remember, you are in green. To know your row number, let us count the horizontal lines first. So, this is the first row, then the second row, and you are standing in the third row. Now, let us get your column number. Let us now start counting the vertical lines from first column, second column, up to 8th column. And we find you in green. So, you are in the third row, 8th column. Now, shall we find your friend colored in orange? Let us count the horizontal lines first again, that are rows. So, first row, second row, third row, fourth row, and your friend is standing in the fifth row. Let us start counting the vertical lines for columns from the first column, like first column, second column, third column, up to 6th column, and we found your friend colored in orange. So, your friend is in the 5th row, 6th column. Do you understand now about rows and columns? This is the same concept we are going to use in the coming videos to understand about nested lists. See you all in the next video where we will learn how to create nested lists. Bye bye.